The Debate of the Dancing Chickens. In the peaceful village of Murghi Pur, something unbelievable happened one sunny morning. The chickens started arguing. Not clucking, arguing. Yes, a full debate. All the villagers gathered around as the chickens stood on a wooden table like politicians. The leader, a tall white rooster named Chaudhry Kukru, cleared his throat. "Order! Order!" Rooster said. "आज हम फैसला करेंगे कौन सबसे best dancer है." A collective bark, 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 bark filled the air. The debate had begun. First came Lal Pari, a small red hen who did breakdance. She flipped, she spun, she wiggled her feathers so fast कि एक villager ने कहा, "बाजी, calm down, fan ban jaogi." Next came Motu Murgh, a chubby chicken who only knew one step. He jumped, and the ground shook. Doom! Kids fell over like dominoes. Then stepped forward the elegant Madame Feathers, famous for her classical dance. She did such a slow ballet twirl कि सबने सोचा हवा चल रही है. Finally, the surprise entry. A tiny chick named Tilli. Tilly climbed on stage, squeaked loudly, and danced like electricity had entered her body. Zzzz! Her wings flapped, her legs kicked. Even her beak did the tick-tock shuffle. The crowd went wild. But then the real argument started. "I should win. I'm the most stylish," said Lal Pari. "Main jeetunga. I made an earthquake," shouted Motu Murgh. "Excuse me, class matters," whispered Madame Feathers. And little Tilly squeaked. "Main toe bas cute hoon." The chickens clucked, stomped, and even started doing dance moves while arguing. A proper dance debate. Finally, Chaudhry Kukru raised his wings and announced, "Winners, सब हैं, because जब तक हम सब dance कर सकते हैं, हर कोई superstar है." The villagers cheered. The chickens danced again, and that night, the village of Murghi Pur slept peacefully. Except Motu Murgh, who shook the entire barn every time he snored. Moral: talent comes in all shapes, sizes, and styles, and everyone shines in their own way.